When I'm upset, I come up here to spend time with God, and that always makes me feel better.
It will make me feel better. Bedtime's the worst thing in the world.
Zeruya, it's just bedtime. It's not the worst thing in the world.
Doesn't get me. Wait, you come up here to spend time with God? Don't you have to go to the tentacle for that?
Tabernacle? I find I hear him better up here.
Really? What does he sound like? What do you sound like?
Hey, keep it down, kids!
Well, that's not very nice.
That was Mr. Ezekiel.
That's not very nice.
Sorry, Mr. Ezekiel. We'll keep it down. I don't really hear God like that.
Then how do you know what he's saying? How do you know if he's even there?
I feel it. In here.